Mm. Hello everyone. We are going to make a formative assessment on cryptographic and network security. My teammates are Sarathi, me myself, Saravanan, and Sasidaran. The CO3 will be conducted by Sasidaran based on digital signature.
Myself, Sasidaran, I'm going to take a seminar about digital signature. Basically, I was studying in CSE Computer Science, the CSE. I'm going to take about digital signature. Next slide. Definition of digital signature. A digital signature is a cryptographic value that is calculated from the data and a secret key known only by a signer. It ensures the authenticity and the integrity of digital messages or documents. What the purpose? To provide a secure and reliable way to verify the identity of a sender and ensure that the message has not been altered. The main purpose is to ensure the data. Types of digital signature. Simple and basic. In simple, the description is basic electronic signature without encryption. The use case is low risk transaction where high security is not and priority. The basic description is signature with some encryption but without a high level security. The use case is moderate risk transaction with some level of security needed. Advanced description. The signature created through a advanced process providing of a security and linked the signer with the data of unique way and a qualified description. The signature is created by a qualified electronic signature with a qualified certificate. Next slide. How digital signature works? Hashing the message and encrypting the hash. Description. The message is hashed by using a hash function. Example, SH8256. The purpose is to ensure that even a small change in your message will provide a significantly different hash value. Encryption the hash. The hash is encrypted with the sender private key and creating the digital signature. Links that the digital signature to the sender and ensures only the sender could have created it. Next slide. Verifying the signature. Decryption the hash. Use the sender public key to decrypt the hash. Hash the received manager. Generate the hash value that have received from the message by the sender and the receiver. Comparison. Compare the decrypted hash with the newly generated hash to verify integrity and the authenticity. Here is the diagram flowchart. From the computer, we have sending a message to one sender to a receiver. While sending a message, the hash function will be added to the message. In the hash function, the digital signature, encryption, and the signed digit is concatenation to the message part, like the sender and receiver. If the sender sends a message to a receiver, receiver will use the public key to encrypt the hash value and put the digital signature value to open the message. Next slide, bro. Here is the public key. The receiver is opening the message process by decrypting and using the hash value and comparing the both hash value to the message by the computer. If the both the hash value is equal, then the message will be visible. Next slide. Advantages of digital signature. Enhanced security for verifying authenticity and the integrity of digital document. Streamlined document process, reducing time and cost. Non-repudiation ensures signers cannot deny their signature. Legally recognized in many, providing legal validity. Disadvantages of digital signature. Require secure management of private keys, posing key management challenges. Initial setup and maintenance cost for implementing digital signature infrastructure. Com- Compatibility issues between different systems and standards. Legal recognition varies across regions and jurisdictions, leading in inconsistency. Real-time applications of digital signature are here we're going to see about the email security description, ensuring the integrity and the authenticity of email messages. Example, protecting against filling and spoofing, software distribution, description, verify the authenticity of software downloads and updates. Example, ensure software has not been tapped with financial transactions. Example, protecting against fraud authentication transactions. Legal documents description, providing legal validity to contracts and agreements. Example, digital signature on legal documents like contracts, wills, and deeds. Adobe PDF signature. Adobe PDF signature allows user to sign the digitally, ensuring the document integrity and the authenticity. Example, contracts and official document signed, verified electronically. Diagram, screenshot of a signed PDF document showing the digital signature. SSL PLS certificates. Description, digital certificates used in SSL and PLS protocols to secure web communication. Example, secure browsing with HTTPS websites and the diagram simplified of a SSL PLS hardware processor. Blockchain technology, use of digital signature in a blockchain to ensure the integrity and the authenticity of the transaction. Example, cryptographic and the smart contracts. Diagram, illustrate of a blockchain transaction with digital signature. These are the best ever examples in digital signature, like email security, PDF signatures, and the diagram representation. Next slide, bro. Conclusion. Summary. Digital signature are essential for secure authentication from a user sender to a receiver to share a message and a private and a model with a digital signature model, which is very useful to which is very useful and safe to transfer a message from one side to another side. It has many layers of encryption and decryption. We have seen above. In future outlook, ongoing advertisements such as quantum resistance algorithm and increased adaptation in various sectors, wider use and improved security of digital signatures. Thank you. The next will be started by Sravanan.
Myself, Sardi. I am talking to you about in virus. Introductions of virus. Definition: a computer virus is a molecule software program that replicates itself by modifying the other's computer programs and interesting its own code. Functions of virus. Virus can cause various harmful effects such as damaging files, stealing data, or disrupting a computer operation. Spread in virus. Virus typically spread through infected files, email, attachment, immovable drives, and a network connection. And these are the types of virus. File infected virus, boost sector virus, macro virus, polymorphic virus, metamorphic virus, resident virus. Then the first one is file infected virus description. The infected executable file by attaching themselves to the code of the host program. Example, CHL, also known as infected executable file on Windows system. The second one is boot sector virus. Infected the boot sector of storage device like hard drive or floppy disk. Some examples are like Stone, one of the earliest boot sector viruses, infected the master boot recorder MPR of the disk. The third one is macrovirus. Macrovirus is defined as the written in a Markov language and embedded within documents such as microword, Excel file, or PPT in the Microsoft. Example, virus spread infected Word document as email attachment. Some virus are forwarded by email, WhatsApp, some link in the comment box, etc. Polymorphic virus can change the appearance or signature to a word decision by the antivirus software. Some example, strong, warm, wound, polymorphic technique to change its code to avoid the medication. Autoformic virus description completely rewrite themselves each time of the infect the new file of the system. It's like some pen drive put on your this laptop, some virus will be affected our laptop. Example, change its code structure of each function in each infection. Resident virus lodge themselves in computer memory and infected file as their opened, executed, or accessed. Example, Randex, a polymorphic resident virus, infectable executable file and spread through network share. Next slide, bro. Impact of computer virus, data loss, system instability, privacy breaches, financial losses. The data loss is defined as the virus. Virus can corrupted or delete file leading to data loss. System instability. Virus may cause system crash down, slow, or others performance issues. Privacy. Some virus steal your personal sensitive information, compromise and privacy and security. The final one is financial loss. Business can suffer the financial loss due to downtime, data, and redemption cost. These are the concept of impact of computer virus. The next one is prevention and migration strategies. Use antivirus software, enable firewall, updated software, excessive caution, backup data. The first one is use antivirus software. This defines as the install reputable antivirus software and keep it update regularly to detect the remove from the virus. The second one is enable firewall. Enable firewall used to monitor the filtering incoming and outgoing network traffic of the suspicious activity. And the third one is update software. The update software is defined as the keep operating system application and the software up to date with the last security patchworks. Then fourth one is exercise caution. By wary of email attachment, download from unknown source and suspicious website. Then last one is backup data. Regularly backup data, important files and data into the external storage device or cloud services. These are known as the prevention and migration strategy. Finally, we have come to conclusion. Awareness and prevention. Understanding the different types of computer virus and their potential impact on empirical or maintains cybersecurity. In prevention, implementing the effective presence and migration and strategy help minimize the risk of infected virus and their consequence.
So, நான் ஆரம்பிக்கிறா.
Then CO5 will start by Saravanan.
Hello everyone, I am Saravanan. I'm going to talk about the CO5, pretty good privacy, PDG. Next slide, bro. Introduction to PGP. Definition for PGP. PGP is a pretty good privacy, is a data encryption and decryption program used for secure communication and data storage. For developer side, created by Phil Zimmerman in 1991, PGP is designed to provide a privacy and authentication through cryptographic techniques. Next slide. Component of PGP, encryption. PGP uses strong encryption algorithm to protect data from unauthorized access. Decryption, authorized user can decrypt, encrypt and data using their private keys. Digital signature, PGP support digital signature to verify the authenticity and integrity of messages or documents. Key management, PGP requires a secure management of public and private key for effective encryption and decryption process. Next slide. Advantage of PGP, confidential and authentication are two types and advantages. First of all, we are going to talk about the confidential. Confidentiality, PGP ensure the confidential of sensitive information by encrypting data during transmission and storage. Authentication, it provides a mean to authenticate the sender of a message or document through the digital signatures. Next slide. End-to-end encryption, PGP enables secure communication between parties by encrypting data at the sender's end, and decryption it only at the receiver's end. Cross-platform compatibility, PGP is available for various operating systems, allowing user to communicate securely across a different platform. Next slide, bro. Applications, we are going to talk about the applications of PGP in secure email communication. Secure email communication in PGP is commonly used to encrypt mail message, ensure privacy and security in digital communication. The another application in PGP is file encryption. PGP can encrypt file and folder to protect sensitive data from unauthorized access. In digital signature, PGP supports digital signature for verifying the authenticity and integrity of digital documents such as contracts and agreements. Next slide, bro. Challenges and limitation in PGP. There are two challenges in PGP: complexity and key management. First of all, we are going to talk about the complexity. Complexity PGP can challenging for non-technical users to set up and use effectively due to its complexity. Key management in PGP is managing the PGP keys securely requires a careful attention and can be cumbersome for inexperienced users. Next slide, bro. legal restriction. PGP uses may be subject to legal restriction in some judiciary, limiting its widespread uses in certain context. Limitation adoption. Despite ineffectiveness, PGP has not been widely adopted by the general public, limiting its utility for secure communication. Next slide, bro. There are some features of outlook in PGP. There are three types: advancement in security, increased awareness, and regularity changes. We are going to talk about advancement in security in detail. Um, advancement in security. Continuous improvement in encryption algorithm and security protocols may enhance the effectiveness of PGP. In increased awareness, growing awareness of cyber security threats may lead to wider adoption of PGP. And similar to encryption tools, regularity changes in regulation and policies governing and encryption may impact the uses and development of PGP in the future causes. Next slide, bro. Conclusion. PGP plays a crucial role in ensuring confidentiality and security in digital communication by providing a strong encryption, authentication, and digital signature capabilities. While facing challenges such as complexity and limited adoption, PGP remain a valuable tool for individual and organization seeking to provide their sensitive information in an increasing digital world. That's my conclusion. Next slide. PGP was designed to provide all four aspects of security, example, privacy, integrity, authentication, and non-repetition in the sending of email. PGP uses a digital signature combination of hashing and public key to provide integrity, authenticity, and non-repetition. In conclusion, PGP encrypts secure data transmission in emails, documents, and files, and only the person with whom you have to share the key is able to decrypt the data and use it. Next slide, bro. Thank you.